Is it standard practice to delete files off a server after an election, Mr. Bennett?
I hope not.
So, Mr. Gates, will you agree with that?
I would say that it is appropriate to maintain files, and that's exactly what we did. We deleted the deleted files that have been discussed. They were archived.
So you admit that you guys did delete, Maricopa County did delete files off the server after the election?
That are archived.
I find it, frankly, laughable to suggest that a county, in response to a subpoena, could say we will delete files from the hard drives and materials that we give to the auditors because we have those files archived.
Yeah, again, I don't have an answer to that question, but we'll certainly get you an answer for it.
And I do think that it's important that our recorder has suggested that he will be answering every question.
The same guy, Steve, is that the same Stephen Richard?
Does anybody know when those ballots leave, how many are in the bins?
No, they are not counted at the voting centers.
So nobody knows how many are in the bins when they arrive at MC Tech.
Correct.
Is there any way for a 19-inch ballot image to be projected on a 20-inch ballot by accident?
No, sir.
Why not?
Because the settings and the configurations and the procedures that are used cannot allow that.
I would say there's no question in my mind that had there not been tabulator issues at 132 vote centers, this election would have ended up with Kari Lake winning.
Kari Lake would have won this race, but for the election day chaos.
I have no doubts.
What did you do to verify the accuracy of Maricopa County's data?
I relied on the data that was reported by the county.
So you did nothing to verify the accuracy of that data, correct?
That's correct.
When we started doing the audit reconciliation of those door 3 ballots, we identified some of those ballots had then a fit to paper issue.
And when was that?
I don't remember the exact dates, but a few days after Election Day.
Scott, did you know the question yesterday? Were you coached by legal counsel to tell the truth today?
Scott, how do you boldly lie like that? Scott Jarrett, what's going on?
We believe in choosing our own election, our own rulers, our own governors, our own mayors, our own presidents. And we do that through elections.
Their attorney said it in his closing statement. He said, we choose our rulers. Isn't that telling? This was a selection, not an election. And we in America choose who represents us. And we will restore honest elections. And I will never stop fighting. I will never stop fighting. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Kari.
Thank you, Kari.